If you want to delete a note in Evernote Web, you're in the right place. In this quick step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to move a note to trash, and if you need it gone forever, I'll also show you how to permanently delete it. This is a simple process, but it helps to know the difference between deleting and permanently removing a note so you don't lose anything by accident. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Now let's get started. First, open Evernote Web in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're inside your Evernote workspace, look at the left sidebar and click Notes. This will show you your full list of notes, making it easy to find the one you want to remove. Next, select the note you want to delete. You can click it once to open it in the main window. Now look to the top right corner of the note. You'll see the three dots menu, also known as the More Options menu. Click that menu to open the note actions. From the list of options, choose Move to Trash. As soon as you do that, Evernote will send the note to the trash notebook instead of deleting it right away. This is helpful because it gives you a chance to recover the note later if you change your mind. If all you wanted was to remove the note from your main list, then you're done. But if you want to permanently delete the note, you'll need one extra step. Open the trash notebook from the sidebar. Inside Trash, find and select the note you want to erase completely. Then click the three dots menu again in the top right corner. This time, choose Delete Permanently. Before you confirm, take a second to make sure you have selected the correct note, because permanent deletion cannot usually be undone. Once confirmed, the note will be removed from Evernote completely. That's it. You've now learned how to delete a note in Evernote Web, both by moving it to trash and by permanently removing it. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.